All right, y'all, here's our answer key video for the review sheet that we did in class today. So the first problem said, Tim has 39 pairs of headphones and 13 music players. He wants to sell all of them in identical packages. So what's the greatest number of packages he can sell? Well, if we're making even packages, we're going to use greatest common factor. So let's go ahead and factor out 39 and 13, right? Well, we can do 1 and 39. We can also do 2 times 13. And I think that's it for 39. And 13, we've got 1 and 13. And 13 is prime, so that's all there is. So what this tells us is if we take a look here at our factor pairs, we can have 13 packages, right? Because that's our greatest common factor. It's the biggest one they have in common. 13 packages. And they would each have 1 music player. Oh, sorry, I said 2. That's a 3. 3 times 13 is 39. Duh, Mrs. Ritter. Ay, ay, ay. And 3 headphones. Sorry about that. All right, the next one. Zaid is helping his classmates get ready for their math test by making them identical packages of pencils and calculators. So again, we're making identical packages. We're going to use greatest common factor. So he's got 72 pencils and 24 calculators. So he must use all the pencils and calculators. If he creates the greatest number of packages possible, how many pencils will be in each? So first, let's figure out how many packages can he make. That's going to be our greatest common factor, right? So 1 and 72. Let's see here, 35, 36, 2 and 36, 3 and 24, 40, 50, 32. So 4 and, what's that going to be, 10 and 18, no 5, 6 and 12, and then 8 and 9. Whew, that's a lot of factors. And then for 24, we've got 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6, and that is it. So our greatest common factor here is 24. Here, we'll circle that, right? That's the biggest one they have in common. And now let's look at those factor pairs, because really what it asks, it doesn't say what is the greatest number of packs we could make, right? The greatest number of identical packages would be 24 packages. But what it asks is how many pencils will be in each package. Well, these were our pencils. So the factor pair we're looking at is this one. 3 pencils will go in each of the 24 packages. All right, 3 pencils and then 1 calculator. So we could say 3 pencils and 1 calculator. And really it just asks for the pencils. So that right there is our answer. Okay. All right, hopefully going over those 2 was helpful. Or let's do one more. Ronald and Tim both did their laundry today. Ronald does laundry every 6 days and Tim does laundry every 9 days. How many days will it be until they both do laundry on the same day again? We're looking at cycles of time. So this one's going to be the least common multiple. So let's list some multiples of 6, and then we're going to list some multiples of 9. And then we're going to find the first one that they have in common. So 6, 12, 18, 24, and we'll see if we have to do more. 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27, and check it out. I notice that the first one they have in common is 18. So we could say that they will do laundry again at the same time in 18 days. Okay, so we've got 2 examples of greatest common factor, 1 of least common multiple. You guys are rock stars. Let me know if you have any more questions.